This is a 3-in-1 puff-puff recipe, and let me show you how to make it. Hello my beautiful family members, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. I'll be using some all-purpose flour. I've saved it already. I have my Oreos biscuit. I'll be using this as well. I have my baking powder. I have my powdered milk, my salt. I have chocolate. This is a dark chocolate, then I grate it. I have some nutmeg powder, my sugar, vanilla flavor, egg, yeast, scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I have condensed milk that I'll be using as well, and some warm water. The first thing I'll be doing is I'll combine all my dry ingredients together. So I'm adding my sugar, then I'll go ahead and add my milk, my salt, then my nutmeg powder, then I'm sieving in my baking powder. So I'm adding my yeast. So I'm just going to mix that together, then I set it aside. So the next thing I'm doing now is to prepare my wet ingredients. So I crack in my egg inside the bowl. I add my vanilla flavor. Then I'm adding my condensed milk. The next thing I'll be adding is my water. So I'm going to add some water to this, then I'll mix it together. So once I mix it very well, I'll start by adding it to my flour mixture. Then after that, I'll start adding water bit by bit. It's always advised to add your water bit by bit and then mix this together. So I'll continue mixing this until I get my desired consistency. When mixing your puff-puff mixture, you need to mix it very well. Like you use your hands to mix it and beat it very well. As you can see what I am doing in this video. So this is my puff-puff batter. Can you see I'm able to scoop and mold it? So this is the consistency you should watch out for when adding your water. So that is why it's always advisable to add water bit by bit. So the next thing, I'm going to cover this and leave this and allow this to rise. After about 35 minutes, my puff-puff have doubled in size, and this is what I have. So the next thing, I'm going to mix this to remove the excess air. So after that, I'm going to divide this batter into 3. The first one, I'll add the scotch bonnet pepper, so to give it the spicy puff-puff flavor. So I'll add the pepper and I'll mix together. The next one, I'll be adding the Oreos and the chocolate to give it the Oreos and chocolate flavor. Then I'll mix this together. So these are the flavor that I have. For the third one, I'll not be adding anything. I'm going to leave that plain. So that one will be our plain flavor. And that's the 3 flavor. The next thing is to start frying it. So make sure that your oil is hot enough. You can see I test some butter in the oil before I start frying it. So once the oil is hot enough, then I start to scoop it inside the oil. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of this family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel that you are going to love. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So I'm just going to allow this to fry until it is golden brown. And then this is what I have. Can you see how lovely the puff puff is? So I'm just going to take this out. So I'm going to repeat the same process to fry the rest of the puff puff. I hope you'll be trying this recipe and share your experience with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and drop some comments in the comment section. Beautiful family members, this is what I have. Look at my puff puff, all three flavors together. So it's looking so yummy. I sprinkle some powdered milk. You can drizzle some condensed milk or melted chocolate over it, just the way you want it. And this is the spicy flavor. You can see the spice inside. And then for the Oreos and the chocolate flavor, this is what the inside look like. And of course the last one, the plain flavor, and this is what we have. So all three flavor looking so yummy. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.